Take your favorite concealer and deposit it on the outer and inner corner of your under eye. Do not form a V because less product is always better. Now use a damp beauty blender to nicely blend this product on your under eye and taking it forward to your eyelids. To set this and make your under eye crease free, use any compact or loose powder. Before setting the under eye with powder, take the clean side of the blender and blend away all the creases, and now put the powder with minimal blinking so that there are no creases formed during this process. Now I'll be repeating the same process. Take the clean side, blend away the creases, take the powder without much eye movement, just dab it. This way you will avoid all the grayness and patches that form under the eye, and your under eye base is set for the whole day. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more.